So very quick, I'll show you on this part using CAMWorks. How CAMWorks can automate programming in SolidWorks. So I'm using SolidWorks, but the CAM package is CAMWorks. So CAMWorks 2023. So here you click on, you define your machine, because already we have defined our machine. So I'll show you. You define your machine here. It has the 3-axis milling, 4-axis milling, 5-axis milling, single turret, dual turret, multi-turret, mill-turn, single, mill-turn, dual, and mill-turn turret, multi, and also it has wire IDM. So my machine, I picked the single turret, then post-processor I'm using Siemens 828. Okay, and in here you come to your coordinate system, the coordinate system. You make sure that you check, or you click on your coordinate system. The coordinate system here, I've picked it on this side. Then you check on the stock. If I click on stock, edit stock dimension, it is parameters here. I've put the stock. Maybe I'll show you. So this part is the stock. If you look at the stock here, the outside here it is minus 210. Minus 210. So that is the stock. This is 8. I put by 8, and this is 2 for facing. And then this is 50. So after extended, click OK. Then it say you update, so I accept to update. Then here I can now say, if you extract the features, it will also extract the features. Say extract the features, machinable features, which machine features can it be machined from here. And then you could say generator plan. You could say maybe a generator plan. So you can generate a plan. You can come here, toolpaths, but I want to change this tool, add the tool for finishing. I want to use a diameter insert tool. So the in tool here I want to use VNMG. I want to use VNMG 160404. I want to use this tool. So I can also change here diamond 30. Here is 16, using 160404. So here it is this tool I'm using, holder. I'm using 20. I'm using here also 20 by 20. This is 125 millimeter. Has a leaf angle of -3. That is J. Here's the right tool. Okay. Then you click OK. Say add. Then from here I can now say generate toolpath, so it can update to generate toolpaths. Then from here I can simulate. So let's go to simulation, increase speed, then run, facing, then rough turning. So I can also hit the tools. So it's doing rough turning. From there, may increase the speed a little bit. Yes. Here I can also use the grooving tool. So finishing. Okay. And then it's doing grooving. I can use the grooving tool here to do a groove turning, but here I've just used the normal tool for turning instead of using grooving tool for turning. If you look at here, it has also put the chamfer. Yes, chamfer is there. So that's rough grooving. Then it will come to do finish grooving. Then here it comes to rough grooving. Then finish grooving. Yes, and then part off. Good. That is how CAMWorks is. It actually is the best. Once you finish, all these operations. Let me show you all these operations. You can now here, then you say post. You can post this where maybe let's say save there, and then I can come here like this, expand here. I can also expand here like this. Like I said, center line, then run, open G-code. So I want to edit G-code editor. Then I check the controller machine is here. If I'm not this, I don't know to use this one, I can check. Can come here from this side, you click on this part. That's the operations. So I have these operations up to here. Hold down control, then click here play. I want them to generate G-code, so I want to generate all of them, then click here play. After it has finished, after it has finished, because I've done the setup here, all of them are checked, then I click OK. It generates the G-codes. Now this is a G-code. This is a G-code. I can remove this part that I don't want. So this is a G-code. This program, if you look at this program, is for facing. This program is for Siemens controllers. So don't be surprised to see this language like L, MI, this limit spindle speed. This port G75 sometimes for like this for Siemens 828D is normally used for as a reference point, but for ISO code we use G28 and also G53 if you're using HAS or FANUC. But Siemens has a different language for actually the advanced controllers from Siemens 828D 840. It has this G75, which you can also convert from this Siemens language to ISO language. You see the program is advanced. Yes, thank you. Yes, that is how we programs are. So you can use different programs. You have softwares like Mastercam, SolidCam, InventorCam. You have also another software like CAMWorks. This CAMWorks, actually for me I like this CAMWorks. CAMWorks because it can actually help you to automatically automate programming, and you're able to see how it simulates. You see even its simulation is so perfect. Let me increase the speed. Even its simulation is so perfect. Simulation is so perfect. Yeah, it can automate programming very fast. If I ever used CAMWorks, I bet you to use CAMWorks. If you have never used it, can use CAMWorks for programming. And those people are using the latest machines, you can use CAMWorks because it has all controllers. Good. That is how it is. That is the CAMWorks. If I check on the machine here, it can also show me. Check on this, it can show me this. Actually, I like it. And it you can able to arrange. If I'm able to remove a program, let's say this program, I delete. For example, let's say delete. Yes. Where does it go? This program, if I delete it, go to recycle bin. I can return it. I can restore it. You see it, I've already restored it, and I can even restore it. I can rearrange it to somewhere here to come down here because it's the last two operations. So you can drag, you copy, edit. You can see this one, you can copy, edit all operations because CAMWorks has put it easier for you to program. And these others, if I also want to use this, I can also edit this and check it. And if I don't want to use it, I can leave it. So I can drag this one, maybe these operations, I say go to recycle bin. I can put some of them in the recycle bin, or I can say, if I say delete, it will go to recycle bin, and then I can return it back. I can restore it. So this actually CAMWorks. CAMWorks is for people who have who don't know how to set up programming in other softwares like SolidCam. I know SolidCam may take you long because most people normally use SolidCam for milling, but for turning they rarely use it. But if you want to understand how to program, actually use CAMWorks. CAMWorks and MasterCam. They can help you in automating programming. I like CAMWorks, MasterCam, and Inventor HSM Works. So they are good.